Come on, tune in, tune in, tune in, tune in. Just want to show you guys the massiveness, the ginormity of Googleplex and one of the canteens. Hey, how's it going? So I'm in Mountain View in California. This place is called Googleplex, and I just want to show you guys one of the canteens that Google has. There are multiple restaurants, many food trucks, and this is one of the canteens. Just take a look at the insane amount of food. It is nothing less than, I don't know, a food court or something like that. Let's start with salads because healthy, you know. Hey Natanya, how's it going? So quick trivia, fun fact. How and why is food such a massive culture in Google offices? Yes, all the food is free, Paritosh. Each and everything in the canteens, all the food is free. There are food trucks, there are European food thingies, there's Japanese, Asian, Indian, South Indian. It's late night, can't sleep, very good. The event's going to start tomorrow, that is Google I/O, that's what I'm here for. And so quick, fun fact, something that I just learned, important for you guys to know. Because what Google started as a culture is something that almost every other technology company and a lot of other non-tech companies also follow, which is the food subculture. Management by food it's called, or something like that, I don't know. Charlie Ayres, Charlie Ayres. Charlie Ayres is the guy, he is literally employee number 53. Okay, so way back in 1998-99 when Google was being put together, he's one of the first few employees hired by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, and Charlie made food an integral part of the entire Google experience. Okay, now and today Charlie, of course, in Palo Alto, which is here in San Francisco, he runs his own restaurant. आज रात को हम वहाँ पे डिनर करने वाले हैं, लेकिन उसके पहले मैंने सोचा कि आपको दिखा दूँ कि क्या माइंड ब्लोइंग खाना है. Yeah, so we just took a look at the salads right there. Okay, parcel is not allowed. Come on, stop being such Indians. Parcel allowed again. Of course, got some desserts. You can fill up your own salad bowl right here. There's Mexican food. This is the grill section. You can see. Burgers getting made. Burgers, sugars. Dakshin! Look at South Indian food. Yes, absolutely. Long queue for South Indian food. We've got these plates ready. Dal chawal. Hey, how are you doing? Very good. Look at the roti maker. Chapatis. Yes. Do you like chapatis? Le lo chapati. That's amazing. Welcome to Charlie's. Thank you. Yes, of course, other canteen style. That's Indian. It's outstanding. The mood here is like a festival. The amount of food and the number of people, thousands of people eat here. Everything is free, boss. Stop asking this question. Of course, you've got your Japanese soups, shiitake mushroom, miso soup. That is izakaya, the Japanese counter where sushi is laid out. Sushi, nigiri, salmon rolls. You've got tortillas and wraps. If we come to this section, there's tortilla chips, different types of salsa, pizzas. If you can see, there's a pizza oven, fresh pizzas coming out. Entry to this place is you'll have to come to San Francisco, then come to Googleplex. Make sure you know someone at Googleplex and you can visit. Look at that, fresh pizzas getting made right there. This place is mental. There's some kimchi rice which I had here for lunch. Check it out. ओ रोटियां सेक गई हैं यहाँ पे. रोटियां देख लो रेडी हो गई. Absolutely crazy, right? ये लोग काम भी करते हैं या सिर्फ खाते ही रहते हैं? बॉस, अगर ऑफिस ऐसा होने वाला है, then obviously लोग खाने पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे. You know, that is the part of culture that Charlie put into Google. Like I was saying, if you guys have just joined, Charlie Ayers is the guy. He was the first ever chef at Google, and कई सारे chef को हरा के competition में they actually got this position. He was employee number 53. So जो क्या कहते हैं, जो ओरिजिनल टीम थी सर्गे एंड लैरी ने जो हायर की थी, उसमें शामिल था चार्ली. एंड ही रियली ब्रॉट फूड एज अ कल्चर इनटू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. जगह जगह पे गूगल ऑफिस में आप जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं, एंड इट्स अ मैसिव कॉम्प्लेक्स, जगह जगह पे यू विल फाइंड दैट फूड इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. खाने के लिए लोगों को रुकना नहीं चाहिए, ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी चाहिए. एवरीथिंग्स ऑन द हाउस. एंड इन फैक्ट when anybody joins Google, there's actually something called the Googler's weight. Google join करते ही पहले 1 से 1.5 महीने में 5-7 किलो वजन बढ़ जाता है. That is a fact. You can Google it. And everyone puts on weight because there's so much food and you're constantly eating and you're constantly working and there's a party kind of atmosphere everywhere. There's वरण भात. पूजा सावंत असं नको विचारू, घरी असेल ना वरण भात. Let me quickly sort of step out and show you guys. Now that was canteen inside, but see, there's like this massive space bahar where you can sit, you can eat, and it's like a party, man. Who do I know? Like a Google employee, like quite a few people. Ayush, I'm here invited by Google to attend Google I/O, which is the annual developers conference that's going to start tomorrow. I've taken the badge and registration, वो सब हो गया है, and these are the buildings. Check it out. Now a little over there are a couple of food trucks. अगर आप मेरे Instagram पे जाओगे @gadget वाला, food truck में आपको, मतलब मेरी Insta stories में आपको वो सब दिख जाएगा. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Oh wow. देखो, बच्चे, फैमिली, सब लोग हैं. मतलब ये ऑफिस कैसे होने चाहिए आईटी कंपनीज के, ये ब्रांड न्यू स्टैंडर्ड, खाना कैसा होना चाहिए, ये सब स्टैंडर्ड मेरे ख्याल से गूगल वालों ने ही सेट किया है. हे हाय हाय, हाउ आर यू, व्हाट्स अप बॉय, व्हाट्स अप बॉय, हाय, व्हाट्स अप, हाउ यू डूइंग.